What's up, everybody? Another unboxing. We're gonna take a look at this little puppy. Got this open. All right. Ooh. Ah. Okay. So, do an unboxing here. Y'all ready for this? Let's get this going. We got the iPhone 11 Pro Max. This is actually my wife's phone. I have my own phone already. Same color. Let's go ahead and take a look. Ooh, Ready? Let's see. This is the iPhone. Should we stab it? No? Okay. What's going on? Let's take a look here. It's got the iPhone. Satisfaction. All right. In the box, comes with the normal paperwork. Got Apple stickers, no one cares. Have some kind of safety and handling crap that we don't care about. And a SIM tool to extract the SIM. It also comes with charging block, headphones, and underneath that, the lightning cable to Type-C cable. I'm just gonna go ahead and put that aside. And let's put that aside here. That is the iPhone. Let's take a closer look at it here. Refined new logo. I moved it down. No iPhone wording at all. Got the triple camera setup. So we got the wide, ultra wide, and the telephoto lens. Going around to the side, you have the silent toggle, volume up and down switch on this side of the phone. Right over here we have the lightning connector with the speakers. Over here we have the power button and Siri button, along with the SIM tray. Then on the top, looks like there's nothing. We have the cameras in the front, along with another speaker. And that is it. That is the iPhone Pro 11 Max. But that's not all. My wife order a phone. She also got a case here. It looks like VE. Never heard of the company? Maybe that's upside down. No, that's right. So we're going to go ahead and get rid of that. She wanted blue aqua. So let's see what her case looks like. Okay. Not bad, not bad. It's a very aqua theme. She has a little wallet thing that will allow her to pull out her, and it's spring loaded. That's nice. Some are fabric loaded, but spring loaded that's nice. And it has a unique design. The print is okay. Flexible. Let's see what it looks like on the iPhone Pro. Okay, so that is the case my wife went with for the iPhone Pro Max. She went green on green this time. My case is a little bit more simpler. Solid black. So, matching iPhones. Bada bing, a bada boom. What do you say, Day-U-Wee? You like your phone? Comment in the bottom. Like. Lights are flickering. I don't know. It's a big lightning storm outside. Smash that like if you like it. That's why you like it in 2019. Bada bing, bada boom. We out.